But for improving the Abepimo Maranatha Hostel, Nene Jumedica say I cost the say, ye pat hostels you and Soma, and until many badges obedi machinia kosher, and ya may be a hostels, a dining to be a 8 bedrooms nina, near her and anyone in a Udimachia when you bedroom near to us. Now, me, I made you made boyfriend Patricia Man to be a Jan, I will TBP TV so.
Family, welcome to TBP TV official. My name is Archa. Today we are at Brekuso in the eastern region of Ghana, and we are here for the official inauguration of Maranatha Hostels. Welcome aboard, family, and enjoy this official ceremony with us. I'm here with Jennifer Dogbevi, Jamila Tu, Isa, and Eben. They are here to help me do a very good yeoman's job. We are back, like I told you in the introduction. We are here for the official inauguration of Maranatha Hostel here in Brekuso in the eastern region. And for those of you who don't know, Brekuso is on the Kwabenya Ebri Kitasi Highway, and this is where, by the grace of God, certain family have been able to put up an ultra modern edifice that is going to be used as a private hostel for students around this neighborhood. I mean, as Ashesi University and close around this neighborhood to also benefit from. So very soon, my guys will join me here as we have a tete-a-tete on their expectations and whatever they have seen so far today at this inauguration. All right, so to my right is Jennifer. Jennifer, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Jamila, how are you also doing?
I'm good.
Eben, what about you?
Oh, same, good.
All right. So these are my guys here to help me do a diligent yeoman's job. Now, to give you a brief description, we came here this morning. The program kick-started exactly 10 a.m. Family lovers, well wishes, and those from the media, like I told you, TBP official TV's official media partner for this launch and inauguration, and they are here represented. I can see their camera people and their family. Those at the high table are all represented to ensure that we have a fruitful day and a fruitful inauguration. All right. Let me take expectations from Jennifer. Jennifer, so far so good. What are your expectations? What have you seen so far? What can you say?
So far, I have seen. I think he really did a marvelous job. You know, looking at the structure here in which we are, I think he did a really marvelous job. You know, this is a very good environment for every student. Any student who wants comfort and a serene environment, I think he should look nowhere but just Maranatha Hostel.
Good. So that was the observation of Jennifer Elom Dogbevi. I have Jamila to Isa. Jamila, you have moved through the rooms. What were your impressions?
Oh, it's a very nice room. It had AC in them. There were student mattresses. It had a fan apart from the ACs and everything. There's bathroom and everything there. Most hostels don't have this thing, so any students that will like come here to stay here, it will be a good choice for that person because they'll feel very comfortable, and a lot of things that they can't get out there, it's also here. So the man really did a good job here.
All right, so that was Jamila, Isa, and Eben is also here. Eben, you came here looking at the serenity, the environment, looking at the greenery all around this location. Perfect conducive atmosphere for studies. What do you have to say?
Oh, well, this place is a very cool place. The weather is very normal for every student who want to occupy a hostel or have a good learning. This place is a very good place. The surrounding is very cool, no noise. Everything is under control over here. The rooms are very attractive. I've been to a lot of hostels, but this one here, I think this place is a very serene hostel that I've been to. The man has really done a very good job. One of the beautiful hostels, I think, around Eastern region, and also in Brekuso. I'm actually impressed with the man's job. I'm actually impressed.
All right, so Eben is very much impressed with the job out here as journalists, they are all represented to give you a feel of Maranatha Hostels. This is TBP TV official. My name is Archer. The event is currently ongoing and well wishes are well represented. There is a very serene environment here, and the main guests at the high table are giving their main speeches. As you can see from the high table, they are giving their main speeches, telling us more about Maranatha Hostels. It's a delight. It's a very comfortable place, a must-watch place. I mean, all our foreign students in Nigeria and all our African countries, Benin, Togo, the Guinea, Bissau, countries like Chad, the Republic of Chad, they can all come and experience Maranatha Hostels. I mean, anytime you come to Ghana, either not for educational purposes alone, but even for relaxation, I think this place is a good place, Dogovi, for relaxation.
Oh yes, it's the best choice. Let me say that way, because it has everything like a 5-star hotel should have. So I think it's the best choice.
And a lot of students who come into these situations, or people who want to have a relaxation, have raised a lot of issues, security concern. And when we came here, we have seen top-notch security installations here. The CCTV are all around. Eben, you are a security expert. What can you say about that?
Oh, in fact, the man has really done a very good job. Looking at the security level, everything is on point. Everywhere, every room, every place that you pass, there's a security CCTV camera over there. I think the security condition over here is very, very cool. Everything is cool over here. Talking about security, it's on point over here. Which these things you not get it in many of the most hostels around in Ghana. But here, the security is so on point. It's on point. The security is on point.
When I came in, I entered the hostels myself, and I saw, I mean, the tiling to the finishing, the furnitures, the air conditioners, the bedrooms. I mean, they are all standard, and it's one thing every student would like to have. And management are promising us that the fees are also very moderate. I mean, when you come around to have a stay here, you are not going to spend so much money, so that at the end of the day, you also be able to have enough to cater for your needs while you are in this environment. So this is the TBP official. My name is Archer. We are giving a live commentary of the official inauguration of Maranatha Hostels here in Brekuso, and Ben Archer TV is also represented. We are also live on the Ben Archer TV as well, and we are doing this collaboration production together. My name is Archer. The baby is represented here. Jennifer, then Jamila to Issa, as well as Eben is also here. Production crew supported by Mary Toro, Mantebia Pratisha is also represented, and the entire crew. I mean, Lizzie, Elizabeth Aplaga. She is also represented live here at this auditorium, and very soon we'll be taking you around to show you pictures and shots of how the hostel, the interior, the furnitures, all the other facilities that you expect in a very good hostel and standardized hostel. We'll be showing you so that you have a feel of it. So currently the high table is addressing the audience on key features of this hostel and what you need to know. And let me get back to my guest here. There are some few issues we need to also discuss as well. Let me come to Jamila. Jamila, it is very clear that when you come to an environment like this, people raise issue about the kind of people who are going to stay within the environment. And when you came in, you saw already some people also around. And if you look at the class, the nature of people and how they are living in cordiality, the love. What are your impressions about that?
I really like how people are here. When we got here, we really don't know anybody here. They also don't know us, but they welcomed us like very well, and then they were also nice to us. They brought us everything we need, treated us like, they didn't even show people that we are guests, but like they treated us very well. So now they are still doing it. So we really like this environment. And then this hostel too, it's not like the man didn't do this hostel like just for students. You can also, like, it looks like a hotel if you go inside truly. It really looks like a hotel. It's very nice and decent. The people here too are very good.
All right, so the people here too are very good, and like my good sister Jamila too said, you need to come around to check. I mean, the location is at Brekuso in the eastern region of Ghana, not too far from the airport city of Accra. I mean, if you are moving from the airport city, you just use the Atomic Kwabenya lane, you enter Kwabenya Road, go through what do we call it, the Comet Properties Road, then you eventually get to Brekuso. It's not too far from the Ghana's Ashesi University. Welcome to TBP TV Official. My name is Archer. We are doing a live broadcast right here from the official, or at the official launch of the Maranatha Hostels right here in the eastern region of the Republic of Ghana, not too far from the Ghana's capital, Accra. Jennifer, Jamila just talked about the cordiality, I mean the love the people of Brekuso showed to you when our team came here. What can you also say? Because people are very particular about that. To go and stay in an environment and you have the people receive you like their own. What do you have to say about that?
I think the love here is kind of amazing, you know. When we got here, we didn't know anybody, but they welcomed us, like they provided everything we needed. Some even came to check on us, how are we doing? Well, they didn't know us. So I think this is the best place to me. If you want to live in an environment that you enjoy, like, let me say, peace of mind, I think this is the best place.
Eben, what do you have to say about that?
As my colleagues were saying, this place is a very good place. The people over here, everybody loved. The love over here is very, very deep. As we came here, as they said, we didn't know anybody. There's only one person that we know, that's our sister. But the people over here made us understand that so far as all of us are human beings, that means the love have to occupy over here. So they showed us love. This morning they came to us, asked of us how we are doing. And I think that is cool. You know, you are not going to get this thing at any place. I think that this place, the love is very, very good over here.
You're talking about the love. The ladies here too have been very friendly to you. Can you confirm that?
Oh yeah, they have been very, very, very friendly.
Welcomed you very well.
Welcomed us.
Manchester City, you are very happy. You would like to come back at any time.
I'm saying to anyone who like to feel this love, that person should come here.
So you want them to experience the love that you have experienced at Maranatha Hostels?
Yes, I want them to experience the kind of love I am experiencing over here. Every worker over here love everybody, so they should come. Maranatha Hostel is it's a very good place for everyone.
All right, before we came here, we went out to the streets of Brekuso. We spoke to quite a number of people and they expressed their ecstasy and joy. I mean, all over their faces, you can see very clearly they are happy that such a world-class facility has been constructed within their neighborhood or vicinity. This is TBP Official TV. My name is Archer. Jennifer is here. Jamila is here. And as well as Eben. Production crew supported by Yao Bote, DJ Black Virgin, as well as Elizabeth Aplaga on the microphone. And no, behind the cameras, actually. Then we also have Patricia Mantebia also on the downside of life. Mary Toru, all of us are represented here. We'll go for a quick breather and we are back. So as you can see, a lot of dignitaries are making their way to the main hostels to give us a feel or a look at how this hostel looks like. It's Maranatha Hostels. We are at Brekuso right here in the eastern region, not too far from Ghana's capital, Accra. And the personalities, they are moving in to have a feel. Very soon we'll be joining them to see actually what is happening there and have a feel of how this first class, ultra modern, exquisite hostel looks like. It's the Maranatha Hostel. My name is Archer. This is the official inauguration and launch of Maranatha Hostels. The dignitaries, patrons and personalities, well wishers are all here, and we are here to do the official launch and inauguration. Don't forget that with Maranatha Hostels, serenity and comfort is what you will get, and that is what you are seeing in your shot. Official inauguration of Maranatha Hostels. Very soon we'll be going inside so that you have a view of how this first class facility looks like. It's TBP TV Official. Welcome aboard, family. If you just joined us, we are giving a live commentary at the Maranatha Hostels official launch or inauguration. And the men of God are already, the clergy are already represented there, giving their prayers, and very soon officially the place will be opened. Alright, so the prayers have already been said, and the clergy are leading us to do that. The main hostel, the main entrance have been opened for well-wishers, family, lovers to experience this facility for the first time. And as their slogan states, serenity with comfort. Yes, we are here to experience that, and you also experience that. That the place is characterized with true serenity and comfort. Let's join the feed. Alright, so the clergy have said their prayers, and now the people are making their entry officially into the hostel to have a feel of how the hostel looks like. It's TBP official TV live coverage. We are entering the Maranatha hostels. The clergy have already offered and said their prayers, and this is how the edifice looks like. As you can see very clearly, this is a view of the hostel, and very soon we'll be entering the rooms. It's a first-class facility, undoubtedly, in Brekuso. Anytime you are in Ghana, outside the country, whether you're a student or here for tourism purposes, do not hesitate to come to the Maranatha hostels. It's the first of its kind in Brekuso, and you'll never regret this. TBP TV official live coverage of the inauguration of the Maranatha hostels. My name is
no yankan chansam kire onyame akoa isa na wanya okesi eneno yeni no matter muntino yenche na koye boxing fonchia etino otumfo onyame a utie no na wode wo ho amma no na afi ohye mfiri wo mu no nkosen hyere wo mu na yenam pa ketia watamfo so na wa no nya ocha nsai ne afui na trene mfiri wo mu ma ono otwedi ompon anu onyam da on ba Yesu die mu amen 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 Amen.
all right. So, like I told you, we are still here at the Maranatha hostels, and we are going to have an interview with the founder and the vision bearer of this whole hostel. Daddy and Mommy, good morning.
Morning.
How do you do?
Fine.
Welcome to TBP TV official, Benacha TV and Kingdom Plus.
Thank you.
All right. What was the motivation behind all these projects?
Oh, I can say it's Lord. It's Lord. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. And looking at this facility is one of the top-notch facilities in this area or neighborhood. And you talked about security. There are international students coming into this country. I want you to reassure them that when they come to this hostel, Maranatha hostels, they will have top-class security.
Oh yeah, that one I can't doubt it. We have security, we have cameras, we have so many security items which will help to prevent qualified people to attend here.
Okay. So many people who crave to also enjoy this facility will also raise issues about affordability. What
yes.
can you say about that?
Yeah. It's a rest assured.
Rest assured.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us. All right. So that was the founder and the vision bearer of Maranatha Hostels. It's right here in Brekuso. They say serenity with comfort. I mean, you can see it's top class, top-notch facility. To my international students who want to come and study in Ghana or have probably a tour of Ghana, do not hesitate. Visit the Maranatha Hostels right here in Brekuso in the Eastern Region, not too far from the Kotoka International Airport, and have an experience that serenity. Stay tuned.
We are taking a tour in all the rooms. So this is one of the rooms that we are getting into. Wow, as you can see, it's looking very beautiful. And this place is very comfortable. 4 in a room. They have their wardrobes and everything is on point. In fact, this is a very classic room for a hosteler to be in. Oh, so we have the kitchen here and the cabinet, and let's see how the kitchen is arranged. So these are the cabinets and the sink and some other cabinets here. We are moving into the bathroom, the washroom. This is the bathroom, and then this is the toilet. Wow, this place is adorable. So this is room 117. Let's get in and see how it is. Okay, on my right is the bathroom. Wow, what a beautiful bathroom. I believe some of the people don't even have this kind of bathroom in their own homes. This is a very beautiful bathroom. And then the toilet, so neat and tiled all over. So in all, we have 130 rooms. So as you can see, this is room 129. And finally, room 130.
So I have one of my fathers here. Yepesi Bisano say Oba Maranatha Hostels obehu ye no. Ye obetimi akafa. Daddy, Pacho what is saying?
No ye
ba.
For prime dia hima bochi.
Okay, Pacho obedu ha no. Then obetimi akafa de ohu ha.
Ibedu ha no. Ahum kan wo ha pa. Na ha ye anije. Ha nso ye fe. Sani anyama ko no. Ebibia ye fe. Bia betuma aba behwe wa betuma betra so betuma be haida na wa betra.
Get us.
Fine.
Yeah, Balak, we will continue and speak to our mother here. All right, Ma, welcome to TBP Benacha TV. What to say? Oh, yeah, the Christian say. Number and I don't want to what about Maranatha Hostels? They know with me akafa.
Oh, me betu ya meni eje. Na no ya show ya me ba. Meni eje pa. Na eni jem. Yesu Kristo da na wa ya saadi.
Yeah, that's a pass. But your Uba ha no. Send hu ha.
No, access pa ya ni eje.
But your uti be kuso ha. Unti
ebo si
wo so na ba ha. Me pese saadi we. Bi betimi asi wo so hu.
It mean to you.
Okay, the me chance so person at the fair who I obi to meet me about investment in do so my man
bia obi no bet me aye
nana hima me pa cho ho to say
obi asisi no ho o so ho kire
ba ha no den bet me akafa de wa hu a
obi mu a be pa kire o se na wa hu be ka ne den wani agye hu ana se wani agye hu dodo e me de ni agye
Yama kwa badba TBP TV na Bena Cha TV so.
Thank you.
Na ene wa ba hai den na woka ukwa boten here ka say bibi kakra wo de na obehu ya den na beka.
Actually and I'm quite be boss of the question man ade. Okay. I had a young shot de pa. Pasada wa ya na ketwa. Okay. I had a pa yami ku shira no.
Yeah, that's a bounce so. And you've heard it all, Black. The people are happy, they are ecstatic. Yes, TBP. Alright, family, we are back. It's TBP TV official. I told you we are the official media partners for this inauguration and launch. We are located at Brekusu. If you want coverage for your programs, your wedding parties, and every event, do not hesitate to contact the event coverage masters. It's TBP TV official. We are here at Brekusu. You can find us on YouTube at TBP official TV, on Facebook TBP official TV, on Instagram, Twitter, and all social media platforms. TBP TV, we are here to serve you with the best TV, trading, and radio coverages, and this is what we are here for. Thank you very much. Before we wrap up this commentary, let me take my final remarks from my panelists here. Jennifer, what do you have to say? We are wrapping up.
Well, all I have to say is I commend Maranatha Hostel to everybody, anyone living around or living in the Eastern region that wants a serene and a comfort place to rest or a hostel apartment to stay. The person shouldn't look elsewhere than Maranatha.
Okay, Jamila, final remarks.
Oh, as she said, we recommend this place for anybody who wants a place to have peace of mind, to rest and have everything they want. This place is there for them to come and have fun here and live anytime they want. And then we thank them for watching us.
We will say this place is a very good and a very comfort and a serene place for everyone who wants to have a comfort, relax. We recommend this place for all students, ministers, anyone who wants a comfort apartment to live. We recommend Maranatha Hostel for them. It's a very good place.
Okay.
Kindly subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, like, comment and share.